My name is Scott Ellis. I graduated from Whitworth in 2004 with a degree in business management and minors in leadership and marketing and religion. And a few years after graduating, I started Blue Button Apparel, where I currently act as the director, apparently. And we're located here in Hilliard. Before starting Blue Button, I was working at REI, part-time up in their clothing department. So I was seeing all the cool organic t-shirts coming in and some of the new eco-friendly inks that were getting used. At the same time, I was working at a church that moved into the Hilliard neighborhood, and we saw just how great the need was here. We found out the local high school has a homeless population of almost 10% of their student body. And this neighborhood is one of the poorest in the state of Washington. So me and a couple friends started discussing, well, what can we do to provide jobs for some of these kids, and rather than just giving them charity and continuing to meet their basic needs, what can we do to help them meet their own needs? And so I quit at REI and decided to start printing my own shirts. We currently have, I guess, 8 people, including myself, coming in and out of the shop. 3 are from Whitworth doing internships. My wife helps out a lot, and then we have 3 high school students. And on a typical week, the students come in 3 or 4 days a week after school. They work a 3 or 4 hour shift. We'll give them rides if they need help getting here. And then afterwards we have a meal together and just sort of build community and find out what's going on in their lives and how we can help them grow. One of the companies we work with a lot is called Continental Clothing Company. And they are one of the leading companies in the industry as far as fair trade products go. They also make a line of bamboo shirts, which are probably the softest shirts we carry. Bamboo is awesome because once the farmers get it growing, they don't have to use any pesticides, they don't have to use any fertilizers, and it's reproducing, it's sustainable. So once they harvest a crop, the same plants will just grow back up again versus cotton or some of the other crops where you have to replant every year and be buying seed from someone, and it can get very expensive. I'd say most of our business just comes from referrals, from word of mouth. That and finding us on Google. Just people looking for local screen printing shops and seeing us and checking out our website and liking what we do. I'll have to order some.
Am I on camera right now?
Totally.
Like right now?
Yeah, it's going up on YouTube tonight.
Look out. Yay!